Hi, I'm Trina Spencer, the director of Juniper Gardens Children's Project. Last year, when I was brand new to Juniper Gardens in KU, I hosted a garden party so that I could meet as many people as possible from the communities with whom we partner. Several people mentioned they hoped we did it again. Apparently, it was a successful event. So we are doing it again. And this is a special year because Juniper Gardens Children's Project is celebrating our 60th anniversary. I personally invite you to join us for an open house style event on Thursday, November 7th from 3 to 6 p.m. We will have light refreshments and cake. You will get a chance to see the research Juniper investigators are working on and the innovations that come out of that research. We hope to see our KU friends, leaders, and colleagues, in addition to the Kansas State and the Kansas City area community collaborators, past, present, and future.